to Hattie's baking tray. Today we'll be making courgette and cheese muffins. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and put 12 paper cases into a muffin tray. Chop the ends off your courgette. You can either use one large or two mediums. Now it's time to grate it. All your courgette and make sure you don't cut your fingers off. Next, grate 125 grams of cheddar cheese. It's actually quite hard to grate. So this is our grating finished. Now get 1 tablespoon of baking powder and put it in with 275 grams of plain flour. Then sift it all together. Got a bit stuck there. Sift all your flour and baking powder into a bowl. It's time to stir in some more ingredients. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then stir it all together. Once it's all mixed in, add your courgette and most of your cheese. Leave some to sprinkle over the top. Mix it all. When you've put it all in, mix it all together. I think I'll leave about that much. This is my cheese that I just grated, but I'm going to put it to one side until the end. Same with my mixture I just made. Then get your next 3 ingredients. Butter, 2 eggs and milk. Butter and put it into the microwave for about 10 seconds. And then it should be melted, and then it's easier to mix them. Crack your egg into the milk. That's why I don't like cracking eggs, but usually that happens. Crack both of your eggs and then whisk it all together with a whisk. Keep whisking until it's all mixed together. Then when you think it's done, pour your butter in. When you think you've done this, pour a bit at a time into the bowl, into your courgettes and cheese mixture. And then mix it all together when you've done a little bit, and then come back for a little bit more. Pour the final bit of my mixture into our big mess, and it looks like a big mess, but it's going to taste delicious when it's cooked. The mixture looks a little bit lumpy, but that's just the cheese and courgette, nothing to worry about. Dig deep to get the flour off the bottom. Now we're ready to put our mixture into our muffin cases. Only fill them halfway and don't get too much on your spoon. This is my favourite part, sprinkling the cheese on. I can't have anything without cheese, literally. Our muffins are nearly done. They just need to be put in the oven. Ask an adult to place your muffins in the centre of the oven for 25 minutes. Your muffins out of the oven when they're golden and risen. These are my courgette and cheese muffins. I just took them out of the oven. They look golden and they smell delicious. Put them on a cooling rack so they can dry, so they can cool down. I hope you enjoy your muffins. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Hattie's Baking Show. Don't forget to subscribe.